In this session, we are going to see how to handle missing values. Missing values are very much a reality when we develop machine learning solutions. You have to handle missing values if you want to have a higher forecast accuracy. Sometimes the machine learning models may even throw up errors if there are missing values in your data set. Okay. And more fundamentally, missing values can lead to a biased model, right? You can make a wrong classification too if the extent of missing values is more, right? Why do we have missing values, in the first place? Can be because values can be lost when you're extracting data from some other system, right? Or at the time of data collection, some values might not be collected. It can be due to an error also, right? There can be various reasons, but it's a reality. It's something that you cannot avoid, right? You will have some missing values, right? So how do we handle it? First strategy, delete the entire record. Second strategy, use the value of mean or median if that particular missing value should have a continuous data, right? If the missing value correspond to a categorical data, use mode, right? We have already seen that. What is mean, median, mode? Let's quickly see and come back, right? If you see this is something we saw in the previous session. Mode is the frequently occurring number, right? Median is the midpoint after arranging data in ascending order. Mean is the arithmetic average, right? So if you have missing values corresponding to a continuous data, you use either mean or median. If the missing data corresponds to a categorical type of data, use mode, right? That's all. Very simple, right? So in our data, in the insurance case study that we are looking at, we have 149 null values, right? I'm even checking null values according to different factors, right? Different variables. Now, why I'm checking it? Because my strategy will be different for different types of variables. If the variable is continuous, I replace with mean or median. If the variable is categorical, I replace with mode, right? Which is the highest frequency value, right? So now I am replacing, I have now got it. I am replacing with mean in the case of a continuous variable. In the case of a categorical variable, I am replacing with mode, as you can see the code here. And this takes care of the missing values because you are replacing with appropriate values. So now your data set is complete and you are ready to move forward, right? A very, very simple technique, but a very powerful technique in handling missing values, right? As I said, missing values must be addressed appropriately, either delete or replace with mean, median or mode, right? So this completes this short session. Okay, so we go on to the next session where we'll be talking about addressing outliers. Okay, just one last point. After replacing, check once if there are any missing values, right? Please ensure there are no missing values, just to do the check, right? To be absolutely sure that there are no missing values, right? Run the code again and see if there are any missing values. As you can see in the case study that we have taken, we run the code again and there are no missing values and we are good to move ahead, right? Okay.